Today we will discuss about the why do hot roads look wet during the hot summer. The reason behind this one is the formation of mirage, and the principle behind this one is total internal reflection. So before going to explain about this example, we can see first what is mirage. Here the mirage is an optical illusion, means it is caused by the refraction of light in atmosphere. Here the refraction of light is the property of the light which bending of the light ray from one medium to another medium, means denser medium to rarer medium, etc. So in this case, the mediums are the layers of the air at different temperatures. Now we can see in this example. So this is the ground and this is the above the ground level. So during the hot day, the air get heated and it becomes the hot air just above the surface of the road. And when we are going up, it becomes the air becomes cooler. So now we can discuss the both things here at the air on the surface of the road, hot air and cool air. So what is the nature of the hot air at this space? So in this case, the hot air acts as the rarer medium because the air density is less. When it is heated, the air density is less, and the refractive index of this hot air is also be less. So in this case, the light travels very fast. And whereas in the case of cool air, it's quietly opposite to this one. If with the cool air, means temperature is less and the air density is more. So the hot air property, the hot air acts as a rarer medium because its density is less. When the density is less, the refractive index is also be less. So that in this case, the light travels very fast. Whereas in the case of cool air, the air density is more, so that it acts as a denser medium. And the refractive index of this also be high. So in this case, the light travels slow. Now we can consider. So when the light rays from the sun or an object like the tree and something, whatever it may be, we can consider. So when the light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, means from cool air to hot air, means in the downward direction. So at every point, what will happen when the light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, the refracted ray is just away from the normal. At every layer, in each and every layer, what will happen? The refracted ray is away from the normal. When it reaches the ground level, the angle of incidence in the denser medium just above the layer is greater than the critical angle, so that the refracted ray is sent into the same medium, that is the denser medium. So here what happens here, the property of the phenomenon of the light is the total internal reflection has to be formed. So due to this, here the light ray cannot travel in the straight line, it travels in the form of the curved path. And here we can see when it reflected back, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, the total internal reflection has takes place. So that here we can see the inverted virtual image of this tree. This becomes an illusion. So this is the best example for the formation of mirage. Have you observed this? Have you understand? Very good. Thank you. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Stay energetic. Stay curious. Thank you.